Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow with a totally unplanned, quick video for you. Last week, I posted freebies and a new kit, and the freebie, and one of the things that I created with the freebies is this pouch using the freebies, and it made a great storage for the Little Origami spring dresses, which I have in here. And one of you, and I am so sorry I don't have the name right here, said, now I want to have these for my granddaughter. Now I need a paper doll. Well, I had worked on a paper doll, oh gosh, last year, and I don't know, I was just blocked. And as you can see, we've got a paper doll. Now, I'm going to show you the original one. She's got some curves that didn't really fit with our very, very straight origami dresses. And I think that was what was really the block that I couldn't get over. So today I pulled her out and I thought, okay, there's got to be some way that I can make some adjustments. And so here I did some, it wasn't Photoshop, but basically Photoshopping to give her less curves. So we've got a blonde and auburn, not auburn. What color is when you're brown? Brunette. I was a brunette. Now I'm a grayette or whatever. And I'm using the little, what are they called? Got it right here. The tiny blending tools from Tim Holtz. I had ordered them and I haven't used them, but I can see why they're very handy. It's a small little top to get in there and distress. Now, I have not backed these girls on cardstock, or I printed them on cardstock, but I feel like they need a second, let's see, they need a second layer of something. And I think even I was looking for a cereal box. I think that would work. Just something to make them a little more, oh my goodness. Now she's got big muscles. And just to make the doll a little more sturdy, if you're going to have young girls playing with this. I think that just for fun, you probably wouldn't need it. And I'm not assuming that everyone is going to want this. This is pure fluff. I guess pure fluff. But I wanted to show you what my thoughts were. So let me just finish putting because I didn't cut right up. Because it seems like when you cut right up to the design, you're cutting into the design. So I tried to keep a little bit of a white edge. Okay. Oh, she needs her hair edges a little bit more right there. Okay. That's good enough. That's good enough for this. Now, here's two of the dresses. And I noticed that not all my dresses were folded. Oh, there's one that got scrunched. Were folded that they would fit her. So like this one, I set this on her and it doesn't look very well. But this one does, especially that I added that little cuff that, pardon me, adds a little length to her sleeve. And then this one seemed to be good. All right. This will have to be something that as you fold, you'll have to decide which dress looks the best. Now, to have them added to the doll, I had purchased these for another project. They're small Velcro dots, and this part is clear. So my thought is, and these I got from Amazon, I'll put a link below, is to put this on the girl because it kind of disappears. And right there. And basically it's gone. Let's do both. Let's do both. All right. Makes me want to sing that song. Sisters, sisters. Well, that's all. That's all you get. Because they definitely look like sisters. All right. So, now, here we go. And I almost forgot how you do this. So, I'm going to put, and they have sticky, which is good. I'm going to put that one there. Yeah. Can I get loose? And they're sticking. I set them down on the sticky. Okay, go away. All right, and let's put one there. Oh, not the sticky side down. All right, it's early. It's early on Monday morning. Well, it's not that early. Okay, and there. Can I get my fingers free? There. And there. And now here's going to be the challenge, is laying the dress down where you want it to fit. Now this is the one I did the white on the back. This one I did not. I did glue it down. I probably should glue a little more, but I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, here we go. Let me get her out of the way so we can see. So I think we match up those shoulders and push down. Okay, it's not going to fit flat to her, but if I remember being a little girl playing with paper dolls, that's not a big deal, you know, because then you can still do the pretend. Okay, and to take it off, they've got to be taut. You're going to have to get underneath there with your fingers, and then to put it back on, just like that. Okay, now, is this a winner? I don't think so, but you asked for it. At least somebody did. I will send you a message if it was you in YouTube. Okay. Okay, and there's her dressed. And if there's another way you wanted to put the dress on her, even if you wanted to put it on her permanently, or it occurs to me I have removable tape that you could put on, and then it would sit down much more flush to the doll. But you just kind of peel them off. And you can't really see that. It's kind of rough on the hand. But I'm seeing that if we do this, we need something tall and long to put the dolls and the dresses in. All right. Hey, that's it for today. And if you're going, all right, thanks a lot, I don't want this. I hope you didn't waste your whole 5 minutes or whatever. But if you have granddaughters and they want some cute things to play with, or even in your craft room, it'd be cute to have it hanging on the wall. I hope that you like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I'll be in touch with you very soon. Bye-bye. Take care.